Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Hoopland for iOS and Android, which gives you unlimited coins, guys. So let's get straight into the guide and I'm going to show you how to download this Hoopland modded version. So we're going to go over to this website. It's called zoomods.com. It has a bunch of modded apps, as you can see, and we're just looking for Hoopland. Here it is, Hoopland mod. If you don't find it, just search it up. Press on the download button and we're just going to wait for it to download the Hoopland mod onto our device. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty fast. It doesn't take that long to download. So let's just give it a second here to go ahead and load. Alright, so anyway guys, before you actually get the Hoopland mod onto your device, there's one more step. And I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading a new page. And it says on this page, let's just wait for it to load. Please install 2 apps to automatically install the Hoopland mod. Additional files are required for the mod to run. So we got 4 apps here. We just got to choose 2 of them. Complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see, we got Family Island down to complete level 10. Then we got TikTok, run for 30 seconds. Dice Dreams, down install, reach Kingdom level 6. So it doesn't matter which app you do. Just make sure you do 2 of them and make sure you guys read the instructions. People go wrong. They don't read them, so you just press tap to install. You can see it takes me to the app store and I just have to download the app and run it, guys. So yeah, this is super cool. I did the Family Island one actually, and you just have to reach like level 10 on it, so it's pretty simple. So anyway guys, after you do that verification step, you should get your Hoopland hack installed onto your device. So yeah, just go back on the website and you can see it says complete 2 more offers. Checking completion, this will be removed and it will say that you are completed and you'll be good to go.